Hi friends, this is the latest model. Check the model number below in the description. See how the product looks. This is durable, reliable, easy to use, latest design, no maintenance. So guys, go through the review. For more details, go through the description below the video. So guys, this product has lot of features, easy to use, latest design, durable, reliable, no maintenance. For more details, go through the description below the video. So, how the product looks, we have checked. And for more details, go through the description below the video. This is latest product, durable, reliable, easy to use, latest design, no maintenance.